Yo, I wasn't expecting this till next week, but Google Pixel 5. Let's go. Yeah, here we go. Google Pixel 5. Very clean packaging here indeed. So let's see if we can get this open. So satisfying. There better be a screen protector on this. That feels good. So, bam. Look at that. Sort of sage. Remember the So Orange from last year, the Pixel 4 there? This feels a little bit weird, I'm going to say. It's made out of aluminium with a coating on top of it, but yeah, we'll get to that in a second. So what else do we get at the box here? We get the standard SIM card tray, eject tool, use a coat hanger if you don't have one. You've got the USB type C to USB type C, and you got the converter here. You've got the 3-pin power output at 5 volts, 3 amps, 15 watts, or 9 volts, 2 amps, and 18 watts. Straight off the bat, you got a 12 megapixel sensor along the rear, 16 megapixel ultra wide this time, not the telephoto from 2019. And you can also see the fingerprint sensors back where the 2019 Pixel 4 didn't have it. So yeah, I was kind of hoping it was going to be a little bit more green than this, kind of Hulk green. But I don't know what I expected when they called it sage though. So maybe that's my bad. Maybe that's my bad. But you ready? You ready to listen to this? There we go. I don't know if you caught my stomach rumbling there, but I've just finished work and I need to get a bite to eat. Like a greeny, tinty, bluey, silvery power button here. Let's see if we've got any juice out of the box here. And Google. While this thing is booting up here, you've got the volume up and down rockers further down. You've got the secondary noise cancelling microphone up top. Along the left hand side here, you've got the SIM card tray here. Along the bottom, you've got USB type C, and you've got a speaker and a microphone either side. Along the back, ooh, look at that sage green. As I say, I would have wished it to be a bit more in your face like the orange was from 2019. So you've got fingerprint sensor across the rear, the Google logo just down the bottom here. OLED display, gotta do it, all black everything. I don't know how they've done it, but this thing weighs hardly anything. Right next to the Google Pixel 4, it definitely seems lighter. So, but look at those bezels though, very symmetrical indeed. I'm loving those. And if you look, much bigger screen, less bezels from the Pixel 4 on the right, Pixel 5 on the left. As I say, maybe a bit more in-your-face green would have been good, but maybe that's just me. You can just barely see because of the wallpaper there, the Selfie Camera, which is an 8 megapixel shooter. Absolutely beautiful. In terms of a battery on this thing, as I say, this thing weighs less than the 4, which is amazing because it's about 2,800 milliamp hours on the Pixel 4, and on the 5, it's 4,080 milliamp hours. Obviously, 8 gigabytes of RAM, with the Snapdragon 765 with that 6-inch display. I think this is a perfect size for me. Where's my Galaxy S20 here? So we've got the S20, you can see I've got a skin on it there, and it's ever so slightly smaller than the Galaxy S20. And I don't think I'm shying away, to be fair, from the bigger phones. I'm liking the smaller display. Small display, 6 inches, when was that considered ever small? Ooh, look at those live papers though. This is going to be my daily driver from now on, and I'm interested to see what some of the photographs are going to be coming out like, because that ultra wide on the back though. So Google Pixel 4 last year, they went with the telephoto. I think that was a mistake, to be fair. So I'm interested to know what the Google Pixel 5 ultra wide and generally what the photographs are going to look like, because Pixels normally deliver awesome photographs. So do let me know in the comment section down below. Are you going to be copying a Google Pixel 5 or a OnePlus 8T or something else? I think the 8T might be too big for me, to be fair. This is a 6-inch display, that's a 6.2. Yeah, should I get the OnePlus 8T as well? Do let me know in the comment section down below, but I am a little disappointed. I might get a skin for this. I was expecting it to be a little bit more greener. This is kind of like a light minty colour. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching. Have a wicked day.